ke parkiran menuju pantai Nambung. Finally, we have find a place where we call the Nambung. Nambung saltwater waterfall. Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, we have to walk little bit far. Is it around there? Is it approximately about 2 kilometers to step your leg on the beach in the sand? It's very hard. You see it was leg of the other people. It was come through this place. Okay, we need more struggle to find there. So big sorry we don't find a short waterfall here because it's not windy. Today is not windy and then the sky is cloudy. We're not lucky today, unfortunately. For you, if you want to come to this place, you have to come when the windy season, on the big wind in the area, and then make impact to the sea and make the big wave in this place, and become it is waves become the waterfall. It's like waterfall, short waterfall sea here. But now I'm not lucky to come here. We came here on the wet session, so unfortunately we're not lucky, we're not happy today. We don't find the salt waterfall here in the Nambung beach. What is fine? Is it fine? Because we see the nice place, beautiful place, nice beach, nice cannery. and finally we come back without salt waterfall. Okay, till here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Say hello from Gerbang Wisata Lombok.